My name is Mayur. I am from Brazil. The first grills, like very ancient, was called Barbacoa. So this is the Barbacoa. This is a grill. It is designed to cook in the outdoors. We wanted to enhance the experience in the outdoors, and it was designed to be super light, and it comes foldable. It's really portable. You just put it in your backpack, and then when you're in your spot, you assemble it. You might ask, oh, it's cardboard, it won't burn. Yeah, it won't burn, and it's designed because we wanted people to use coal to cook, right? We believe as a South American that the best meat can be done in coal instead of open flames. As I mentioned, it's made of cardboard, it's really light, it is disposable, it's eco-friendly. So actually some friends of ours started this in Brazil, and then we have done really well there. We went viral, like the government stepped in and announced, all these guys are very innovative. We also have some retailers that are interested, but we're working on some intellectual property as well before we do like big advertising, because we believe we have a cool product that we can protect for a while. We also won some competitions in Europe that we're gonna plan launch the product there as well. It's a seasonal product, and we believe that if we move around the world, we will be a little better. It is not for sale here in the US yet. If you plan to get it, it's gonna be on Amazon soon. We're also gonna be selling our website, thebarbacoa.com. I believe I wasn't gonna be able to do this without my experience in BYU, because I am in the entrepreneurship program, and in the entrepreneurship program I have learned so many things that opened my mind. The Rollins Center just gave me many sources that I can reach out, so I can actually validate a business idea and see if it can be profitable here. I can have a vision of my product being on those shelves and people buying it and posting on Instagram and having fun in the outdoors. We just want people to have something, do something really cool, like what about someone climb the Everest, and grill something there. Friends get together and have some good experience. So we didn't create this product, and we're not in the market to like, oh, this is one more grill. We want people to we want to sell experiences.